to my VS Angel makeup tutorial. Let's get started. Up first, I'll be using the CCC Tinted Moisturizer from Honest Beauty. I absolutely love the coverage on this product. It leaves a smooth, even finish. Followed up with just a very light glow, I'm using a powder bronzer from Kylie Cosmetics. I love the finish of this bronzer. It's also very buildable, so you can go for a very light, subtle glow, or you can continue applying it for more of a bold look. To brighten up my under eye area, I'm just going to apply a very light amount of the under eye brightener from Catrice Cosmetics. This is such a great brow gel by 2020 Beauty. It keeps my brows in place while also adding just a bit of color. Now I'm going for a very bold, very bright cheek. This is a blush oil that has such a beautiful pigment to it. I am also going to apply a powder blush on top of it. This is the iconic shade Orgasm from NARS Cosmetics. This will always be one of my favorite powder blushes because it also has a really great built-in highlight. I'm also going to be using the Orgasm blush as eyeshadow too. I'm going to add some setting spray. This is one of my favorites from Urban Decay Cosmetics. This is the all-nighter setting spray. I'll also apply the spray directly to my beauty sponge and then directly apply some powder right underneath my eyes. My go-to mascara for a beautiful, stunning lash is always going to be the Anastasia Beverly Hills one right here. As always, I will link as many of these products as possible for you in the video description below. For my lips, I'm going with one of my favorite brands and one of my favorite shades. This is the Kylie Cosmetics and Balmain collaboration. This lip kit is absolutely stunning. I'm going to line my lips with the lip liner and then fill in the rest with this beautiful liquid lip. I personally love the contrast between the liquid lip and the shade of the liner. This lip color will finish up my makeup look. The hair tutorial will be in a separate video. That is it for my makeup. Let's move on to my hair.